Hello, I'm Allie and I am a domestic wannabe. We are officially 7 weeks from Thanksgiving. So we have 7 weeks left to complete our declutter and deep clean before Thanksgiving. Part of what I realize really makes this whole process easier is staying on top of both daily tasks and weekly tasks. And I haven't really gone in depth as to what those tasks are. And I have to be fully honest, the last 2 weeks as I was preparing for my 10-mile race and then recovering from my 10-mile race, I haven't been great at getting them done. And I also realized that I am now a few weeks into October and I haven't decorated for Halloween. And Halloween is one of my favorite holidays to decorate for. All right, I love every single holiday. I don't want to downplay any of the other holidays. I just love holidays. I love decorating for them, but Halloween kicks off the season for me and I am all in on Halloween decorations. I carried them up last night. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, basically 8 regular sized totes of Halloween decor for inside the house. I left one of them downstairs. So I have a lot of decorations and I'm sad that I'm already into October and it's not up yet. But that's okay. Today is a new day. So I have felt a little bit under the weather since my 10-mile run. I'm starting to feel my energy come back up. So we're just starting, today is a new day, we're starting over. So I'm going to do a very, very quick whole house reset. I am gonna change, I got to have breakfast with my kiddo today at school. So I'm going to change into something that is lighter because it's getting warm in here. And we're going to do a whole upstairs reset. And I am going to try and do it in 60 minutes. Basically, I want to pick up, dust, and vacuum the floors. Like those are the 3 things that I really want to get done. Then I am going to decorate. Then I will declutter the entryway and family room. So I would have liked to have done it all before, but if I get a good dusting in these areas, then I can decorate and enjoy my Halloween decorations for the few weeks before Halloween, and I will do the deep cleaning and stuff around them. So this week, with 7 weeks left, we are working on the entryway, family room, and my meal prep closet. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time talking, but we're gonna get into it. What I do wanna share is our daily tasks: dishes, laundry, a workout, the declutter and deep clean. Since I have kind of been under the weather this week, the declutter and a lot of these tasks haven't been done. I have been pretty good about doing dishes every single day, but some of the other tasks haven't gotten done, or they've been done as needed. Definitely decluttering and deep cleaning haven't been done, so we're just gonna bulk it up in one day and we're gonna get it done today. So week 7 is getting done all in one day. We're doing a reset. We're doing decorating, which is not a part of it, but alas, a part of my life, and it will bring me joy. And we're gonna do at least an hour and 15 minutes, and I will do an hour and 15 minutes tomorrow. So it's 2.5 hours total of decluttering and deep cleaning those spaces. So without wasting any more time, let's just get to it. I'm gonna start in the kitchen and work my way that way. Let's go. So I always like a little before and after. So after a week of being a bit under the weather, here's the kitchen. I carried up all my decorations last night. And then we have the family room. These are the areas we're working on too. The entryway, which includes the closet. So let's just do a little This is the meal prep closet I mentioned. This is the closet that needs the most work. Oh, I should mention as well, I've been working in the family room because my kiddo was sick earlier this week too. And as I went back into my office, it's a little too piley for me to stay focused. So I'm going to do work out here today. And then if I have time, I'm not putting pressure on myself, but if I have time, I would like to do a bit of decluttering or pile rearranging in my office just to make it a better workspace. All right, let's get to it. We don't have time to dilly-dally. Let's move. Let's decorate.